Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to AWS AppSync for GraphQL subscriptions, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with AWS AppSync for GraphQL subscriptions, you first need an AWS account. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AppSync service from the AWS Services menu. Click on Create API to initiate a new AppSync API. Select the Build from Scratch option to create a custom API. Provide a name for your API and choose the GraphQL schema option. Once your API is created, click on Schema to define your GraphQL schema. Define your types and subscriptions in the schema editor. After defining your schema, click on Save Schema to apply your changes. Next, you need to configure your data sources. Go to the Data Sources section in the left sidebar. Click on Create Data Source to connect your database or service. Choose the type of data source you want to connect, like DynamoDB or Lambda. Provide the necessary configurations for your selected data source. Once your data source is set up, navigate to the Resolvers section. Add resolvers for your subscriptions to handle incoming requests. Map the subscription operations to the corresponding data sources. After setting up resolvers, navigate back to the Schema section. Ensure your subscriptions are correctly tied to mutations. Now, you need to set up authentication and access control. Go to the Settings section and configure your authorization type. Choose between API Key, AWS IAM, or Cognito user pools. After setting up authentication, test your API with the built-in query editor. Try running a subscription query to ensure everything works correctly. Open a separate client or terminal to implement your GraphQL subscription logic. Use a library like Apollo Client or a simple WebSocket connection. Connect to the AppSync endpoint using the appropriate authentication method. Handle incoming data by defining callback functions in your client. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.